In this video today, we will see two cases where we create folders in iPhone and use them. The first one is we can group the apps together in a single folder. So for that one, what I have to do is I have to tap and hold one app until it starts to shake like this one. Now if I have to group this one with another app, then what I have to do is I have to drag and drop the app on the top of another app like this. So you can see a folder is created. I can tap the folder and the folder is renamed as entertainment. If you want, you can tap on this cross icon here and then you can give your own name. For example, let us say, and then done, and then I'll just tap on the screen and then done. So you can see that a folder is created. Now the another case is we can create a folder and then we can save documents in that folder. For that one, I will go to files, then let me go back, and there are different locations where you can create the folder. Let me create folder on my iPhone, so I will go to on my iPhone, and then if I have to create a folder, I will tap on this three dotted icons here, new folder. So this is the folder. Let me give a name ABC and let me tap outside. So a folder is created. Now what will be the use of this folder? Now in this folder you can save the downloaded items, or you can save documents and photos from WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. So let me open WhatsApp application, and suppose if I want to save these photos in the folder, I will open the photo. I will tap on this share icon here, then I will tap on share, and then I will go down and then I will select save to files, and then I will select the folder which I created and then save. Let me go ahead and open that folder. You can see the photo is here. So in this way you can also create folders to save documents from applications like WhatsApp, Messenger, or you can save the downloaded items also.